Here's one. Are there any more? Do you see more eggs? How about up there? Oh. Is there any more? I see a couple more. Do you see any more, Isabella? Where's all the rest of the eggs? There's only 2 eggs left. Where are they? You gotta look around. No, they're not out there. Daddy will give you a hint. They're somewhere here on this deck. They're somewhere here. Look around. Ah, you found another one. No, almost. How about right here? Right there. Okay, there's 1 egg left. How about over this way? Look over here, Bella. Bella. Over this way. Over here. Bella. 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 No, no, come here. Here.
It's my egg. Thanks, Daddy.
You found all the eggs. Yay.
It's my egg.
You found all the eggs.
It's my egg.
That's all.